Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. This is a 500 gigabyte portable solid state drive external hard drive. This is meant for people like photographers who are out in the field. They need something rugged to save their work. This works great with transferring photos or videos from your camera to this portable SSD so you don't fill up your laptop space. Another great thing about this is it has the capability of accepting data straight from your phone, which I'm going to show you how to do in just a little bit. You need a couple other things for that to work, but that is something truly awesome, especially if you're out in the field and you don't want to take your laptop with you. So that was the main reason I got this, and I'm excited to see that in use. So here you can see some of the specs. Store, edit, and curate large photo, video libraries at blazing fast speeds. It's rugged, it's IP55 water and dust resistant. You can't submerge this underwater, but it'll take on some rain or some mist. It's shock and vibration resistant. It has a solid state core that withstands up to 2 meters of dropping distance. And it's small. It has a USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C connector, and it's Type A compatible. And it'll work with Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7, Mac OS High Sierra, or Mac OS X El Capitan. So without further ado, let's get out of the box and see what we got. So we've got some paperwork here, safety and warranty guide. We've got a USB-C cable that's got USB-C on both ends. And there's also an adapter for USB 3.0. And this is tiny. This weighs just a couple of ounces, and it's about just a tad bit longer than my middle finger. If you want to go by my middle finger, I'll measure sideways with my middle finger. I'm not going to measure upwards. Alright, so it's really small, it's rubberized, it's going to help with bounces if you drop it. The front of it is a hard plastic, but the rest of it, the sides and the back, are rubbery. It's got this little clip here so you can put a carabiner or something on there, hang it to your backpack, hang it on whatever you need. Hang it on your keychain. And here's the USB. Right here is the USB port. Alright, so that's all there is to it. This is 500 gigabytes. They do make this in a couple other sizes of storage space, but the 500 gigabytes I think is probably going to be the most popular size for these. This is a great little product that I highly recommend. Stay tuned for my next video, which will show you how to save files directly from your phone to this device. It's not as straightforward as you might think. Be sure to check out that video soon. Thanks so much for watching and making it all the way to the end of this video. Please hit that subscribe button and like this video to help me bring more videos like this to you in the future. Bye for now.